Love. That's the end of the alley. Ramen alley. Daiso. Sige na. Ay, wait. Inaabot. Ito kaya? Ay, wag mo yung gano'n na yan. Ito na lang. We haven't been here yet. Ay, din yung mukhang may kani, oh. Din kaya. Seems like there's a crab market over there. Can probably check for Christmas Eve's dinner. Oh, there's a lot of girls inside the hot dog bar. Little girls bar, no? I've been seeing a lot of girls bar here and there. Bono Lounge. Should we look at that restaurant? There's a big crab in there. You wanna go walk over there? Yeah. There's nothing in there. It's just parking lot. Let's walk over there. Oh, this is kind of like a shady, sketchy part of the Sapporo. Rich man group, it says over there. Oh, I just remembered in Sapporo Tecne, they do have a service to deliver the luggage to your hotel, right? I should have availed that, right? And sent my snowboard straight to the hotel. How about here? Slippery. Careful. Yeah, yeah. It's very icy. Ooh, slippery. Oops, careful. Abunay. Ooh, ooh. This is a nice cafe. Do you want to try? It's called. Okay, let's try it out. It's called Purple Dahlia. Let's try it out. Yep. Yeah, let's go. Go ahead. Anime desu.